hardwood blackcurrant cuttings. As you can see, it's a nice sunny day, except for at my plot. This is a downside of being on the bottom of the hill in the middle of winter when we're shaded by buildings. So the first thing you want to do is look for pieces that are about pencil thickness. Something like that kind of thickness. That's it. There's it against my finger for a reference. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut them down into about 20 to 25 centimeter lengths. The aim here is to make sure we've got about 5 or 6 buds on each stem that we're going to be taking a cutting from. Now, the variety we've taken a cutting from, we've forgotten, but we really like the taste of the fruits. So being able to take cuttings like this is really handy because you get a clone of the original plant, so you're going to get fruits that are exactly the same, even if you've forgotten the variety. To do the cutting, you cut a few centimeters from the bottom, just under a node, and a few centimeters from the top, just above a node. I like to leave a little slanted cut if I'm doing lots of cuttings, just so I know which end's the bottom. So we're just going to repeat that process until we've got all our cuttings. And the last thing to do is get them planted in a hole. You want them to be buried at least halfway, so that would be somewhere like about where my fingers are on that one. Then you want to firm around them so they don't get lifted up with the frosts in the winter. There's one done. Just the whole more row to do. Just need a lovely little mulch now. Beautifully mulched. Right, so here's some blackcurrants that we hilled in August. See, I've already started to root, and that's them ready to go in. They can go in over the winter as well, and they'll start growing in the spring. Here's a slightly better rooted one. This is one that was done in the spring. So you can see it's got a lot more established roots. It's also, the reason I want to show you this one is because of this stem here. It's almost taken a layered cutting of itself, so it gives you a good visualization on how a layered cutting works. So you can see how this rooted at the stem, because that's been bent over into the soil. That's essentially what a layered cutting is. So basically this form of rooting, you take the cuttings earlier, you take them in the summer, June, July, August, basically whenever you've just harvested the berries. Advantage is you can plant a rooted plant which will establish quicker, means you get quicker and bushier growth the following growing season, and you have a substantial harvest the second year after planting. I've also found I can root longer pieces of stem, which means I've got a larger plant. Disadvantages are, particularly wet winter, the roots are more liable to rot. Fresher cuttings won't have rooted yet. Another disadvantage is the cuttings will need watering over the summer. I want them to root because they require a little bit more effort. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed that, and hope everyone has a good solstice.